Making banana juice is a simple and delicious way to enjoy the natural sweetness of bananas. Here's a basic recipe. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, 1 to 2 cups cold water, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or sweetener of choice. Optional. Ice cubes. Optional. Instructions: peel and slice. Bananas. Peel the ripe bananas and slice them into smaller pieces. The riper the bananas, the sweeter your juice will be. Blend bananas. Place the banana slices in a blender. Add cold water. Pour 1 to 2 cups of cold water into the blender. The amount of water depends on your desired consistency. More water for a thinner juice, less for a thicker smoothie-like texture. Sweeten to taste, optional. If you desire extra sweetness, add honey or your preferred sweetener. Start with a small amount and adjust to taste. Blend until smooth. Blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. Ensure that the banana chunks are fully blended. Strain, optional. If you prefer a smoother juice, you can strain the mixture using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any fibers. Serve. Pour the banana juice into glasses. Add ice cubes, optional. If you want a colder beverage, add ice cubes to the glasses. Garnish, optional. Garnish with a banana slice on the rim of the glass for a decorative touch. Enjoy. Stir the juice before drinking and savor the natural sweetness of homemade banana juice. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding a splash of milk or a hint of vanilla extract for additional flavor variations.